Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your system supports animated backgrounds and allocating space. This avoids mid-install failures. Download a reputable wallpaper engine or live wallpaper app for your OS, then run the installer as administrator. When prompted, allow media and startup permissions so the wallpaper can play and resume. Once done, don't launch yet. Open the app settings first to choose quality tiers and performance presets. Make sure to select GPU or software rendering based on your hardware to balance visuals and battery. You now import and fine-tune the wallpaper file so it looks right on screen. Use MP4 or WebM for smooth video, GIF for short loops, or HTML for interactive scenes. Once imported, position the asset to fit your display, stretch, crop, or center. Then set playback options, looping, audio mute, frame rate cap, and multi-monitor assignment. This matters because improper scaling or high frame rates can spike GPU usage. Lower quality on battery power to keep performance stable. You're at the finish line. Apply your wallpaper and confirm it shows on intended monitor. Save a profile so you can revert or switch quickly and enable performance or power-saving modes to minimize resource use. If the wallpaper stutters or won't appear, restart the wallpaper app first, then reboot if needed. Make sure GPU drivers and the app are up to date and verify file permissions and startup rights. If problems persist, try a lower resolution asset or switch rendering mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.